welcome back to my channel. Now, I'm Millie, and today I'm going to be playing with slime and doing these. So, okay. So, first of all, let's get to the slime bit. Now, as you can all see, this is the slime. Well, this is not the slime, this is the lid. That's the bottom with the grey slime in, with lots and lots of glitter. I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Wait, let me move you guys back. Yeah, the chicken. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is the butter. Okay, now that went wrong. That went wrong. It landed in my cup of tea. Which is not good because now because I was gonna drink that. This time let's move my cup of tea away. Now that's what I call wet. Oh great, it's starting to rip. Now as you can hear crackling noises. I'll try and do that thing again. If it fails, it fails. I don't know. It's getting repeatedly. I don't know how you do it to me. Will I? Now, it doesn't make bubbles, unfortunately, but what it does do, it makes tiny bubbles. Gotta treat it like it makes tiny bubbles, and then they crack like so good, like literally. Okay, but yeah, I'm just gonna play this. So, instead of doing these, I'm going to just leave it here. So, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And one sec. if you already haven't, please like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.